In this video, we're going to look at how to update your company settings. Very important. Let's get right into it. As always, we start from dashboard. And next step, we're going to go into the demo, LK flooring, team, workspace settings. We've done profile already. Now we're going to go jump into the company settings, which is your main settings. Okay, now you can change your company name. We're not going to do that. You can add your ABN. Where's my ABN? 92628. Let's be real. So ABN, now the business address, like email, we have the email pre-filled here, phone number, yes, we have phone number, QBC license. Again, legal disclaimers, again, you can put like any text based on your company requirements and all that. So this is just, again, we'll leave it blank. We don't need anything legal disclaimers for this particular video. That's all done. Next step is the numbering and display. As we spoke in the video, first video, when you registered your account, that's your your prefix, like your company code. We left it as a demo LKV, and it will collect 02, 03, and here we go. And see you can see the actual example. Demo LKV 2026 002. Again, comment below if you have better idea on how to show this and be more kind of understandable, be more reasonable, to make sense in terms of like how you want to see your company showed up in the quotes, how you like to see it. This is just, again, demo 2026. So then when it changes to 2027, obviously it will be 2027. Unit display, metric, imperial. We keep it metric here in Australia, and obviously that's like decimal places, obviously square meters. We're gonna go here for that. Job and workflow, again, remember that when we created the first lead, it was a threshold, like it was green. So that's why I said, so it will go green for the up to 3 days. Then, so it's kind of forcing you to do some action on it. So then after 7 days or 7 days, it will go like yellow, orange. So then you need to kind of follow up, and then it will go red after 8+ days. That's a very good reminder for you. It's like a traffic light for you to remind, oh, I forgot to contact this client, or forgot to respond to this email, or forgot to move him from lead to site measure, and so on. So it kind of keeps you going. PDF emails, obviously, this is the templates for the emails that you're gonna send, like estimator, installer, and schedule. So when we gonna look at different videos, but when you assign your estimator or installer, they get obviously an email or notification on the app, and so on. This one is to slightly into the different video. Billing, again, another video we're gonna do about that as a separate video. That's how we're currently running solo. So see your team members is one of one. We'll do a separate video on that, because otherwise the video is going to be too long. And privacy and all that, it's coming soon. So it's not ready yet. We're still working on what we want to see here. But basically, yeah, that's company setup. You can update it, save changes, and you're good to go. So again, if you have any questions, any ideas, leave your comment below, and yeah, I'll see you at the next one.